Over the past several weeks, the country has been waking up to heartbreaking stories of countless migrant workers walking home, even as the state governments struggle to find a solution. Now, actor Sonu Sood has organized transportation for a section of migrants who have been stuck in Mumbai amid the lockdown. Yesterday, the actor arranged for 10 buses to take 350 workers to their hometown, Gulbarga in Karnataka, from Thane. He also went to the terminus and bid the workers a personal goodbye. Sonu Sood, who had procured the necessary permission from Maharashtra and Karnataka governments, tells Midday this is the first lot of buses, and he has also arranged for fruits, meals and water for their travel. The Maharashtra government officials helped them in organizing the paperwork, and a special mention to the Karnataka government for welcoming the migrants back home. Sonu Sood mentioned that Maharashtra government officials were very helpful in terms of organizing paperwork. He also gave a special mention to the Karnataka government, who readily welcomed the migrant workers home. The Dabangg actor also spoke about how moving it was to see them return home on their foot with their little children and old parents. He assured that he will continue doing the same for other states as well, as long as it is in his ability. Recently, Sonu's fans were left in awe of the actor's kind gesture when he offered his Juhu hotel to accommodate the medical staff treating COVID-19 patients. Now, the actor has also suggested an easy way to make face shields at home within a minute.
दोस्तों सिंपल फाइल फोल्डर है, तो आई जस्ट थॉट कि इसको मास्क कैसे बनाया जाए. सो जस्ट शेयरिंग विद यू कैन रिमूव दीज पेपर्स. और जो नॉर्मल फाइल है इसको आप एक सिंगल शीट में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए इस तरह से. इनफैक्ट एक फाइल से आपके 2 मास्क बन सकते हैं. सो वी हैव 2 क्लियर शीट्स. आई विश कि ये वाइट होती तो और ज्यादा क्लियर होता, पर अभी इस समय मेरे पास यही अवेलेबल है, तो इसके साथ मैं बना रहा हूं. सो वी हैव दिस पंचिंग मशीन जहां पे हमने इसको पंच किया दोनों तरफ. पंच करने के बाद हमारे ग्लासेस हैं, हमने इन ग्लासेस को इसके अंदर डाला और फिर दूसरी तरफ से भी इसको इसके अंदर डाला, और उसके बाद आप इनको यूज कर सकते हैं एक मास्क की तरह. इसमें आप इसको पीछे पुश करके एंड यू आर रेडी टू गो. ऑल सेट.
Previously, Sonu Sood had donated over 1,500 PPE kits to the doctors situated across Punjab, while he offered his hotel as a stay facility for essential workers. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.